here. Okay, so it's been a few months, and it's getting near that time where I dye my hair, and I'm trying on this Auburn filter. I make one foxy redhead. Sorry, my hiccups, I don't know where they came from, dear gods. I think it would go with my personality. I think I wouldn't have to explain how feisty and moody I am if I had red hair more. It would be like easy for people to guess. Oh my gosh, help. I swear to gods I'm not drunk. Little too many margaritas at the Mexican restaurant. It looks cute in a kind of sexy way. Black or red, it looks good, but like this, I don't know. I feel like it would save me a lot of explaining with my personality. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry.